It's a video. See, we made a... What you made, Darius? Say what?
We made a paper pyramid, and I'm about to take it down. It's coming down. Oh! Boom. Oh, it's still up.
Still off.
Let's see how many I can take that down. Out. Oh no!
Still holding the edges. Ah,
Edges.
yeah. That's
We used over 100 sheets of paper.
And how long it took us to do the second try?
Yeah, our first one fell over, so we had to do a second try.
Fell over right in the middle somewhere.
Yeah,
Because
the
we
middle
didn't.
fell, and then we only had the bottom row left.
Yeah. Right.
All right, bye. See you later.